In today's video, I will walk you through how to correctly export contacts on Brevo. To begin, open web browser and continue to your Brevo dashboard. Once the dashboard finishes loading, move to the left side of the screen, where the main navigation menu is displayed. In this section, locate the Contacts option and click on it to continue. After selecting Contacts, wait a few moments for the Contacts page to load completely. Once the page opens, you will see the list of contacts connected to your Brevo account displayed on the screen. Continue reviewing the available contact records until you find the contact you want to export. When you locate the contact you want to use, continue by selecting that contact from the list. Make sure the correct contact is highlighted or selected before moving to the next step. After selecting the contact, move to the available menu options shown on the page and locate the More Options section connected to the selected contact. Click on More Options to open the Additional Actions menu. Once the menu appears on the screen, continue by selecting Export. Brevo will then open the Export Settings area where you can choose the export format for the selected contact information. After the export settings appear, continue reviewing the available CSV separator options displayed on the screen. Brevo will provide different separator formats for the CSV export file. In this example, the available separator options include semicolon and comma. Continue by selecting the separator format you want to use for the exported CSV file. Make sure the correct separator option is selected before continuing to the export process. Once the separator choice is confirmed, move to the Export button shown on the page. Click on Export to begin the contact export process. Brevo will then process the selected contact information and prepare the CSV export file connected to the selected contact records. Wait a few moments while the export process finishes loading and generating the file. After the export process is completed successfully, the contact information will be exported in CSV file format. Continue reviewing the completed export section to confirm that the selected contact was exported correctly from your Brevo account. If any section takes a few moments to load during the process, wait for Brevo to finish updating before continuing to the next step. Once the CSV export file has been generated successfully, the process for correctly exporting contacts on Brevo will be completed. Thank you for watching.